You are not just vacuuming dirt, you are vacuuming the energetic debris of every argument, every doubt, and every bad day you've had this week. If you don't clear that energy, you are just moving it around. Add a tablespoon of sea salt into your vacuum bag or canister before you start. As you clean, the salt neutralizes the low vibrations on your floors and stops them from recirculating into the air. You will feel the atmosphere in your home become lighter and more vibrant immediately. Precision in your cleaning leads to precision in your manifesting. Save this for your next reset. Type fresh to clear your path.